triple three. You are on the path of great success. Your angels are guiding you towards important opportunities. Continue your hard work and watch your dream manifest. Type triple three if you agree. The universe is saying to you today, God knows you by name and never make you feel guilty. He knows and understands your struggles and wants to help you. He loves you. Triple four. When you see this number, it is a reminder that your angels are near. Right, you are divinely protected, supported, and loved. Type triple four if you believe. And also subscribe God's Manifesto. God always bless you. Thank you all.